What's up, guys? Let's look at the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin is setting up for a monster move, which might be happening very soon. The charts showing, the trend line that we are about to break out of. 7 months of consolidation, right? And there is a saying in crypto: the longer times we consolidate, the bigger the breakout is going to be, right? So look at here. I'm just going to draw this trend line right here, and then you can see what I'm talking about. Right. You see this resistance? Right. Study how this particular chart touches this trend line every single time for the past 7 months. This right here was the top, which happened somewhere in March, April. And so since 74,000, we've been touching this trend line, right? And right now we are currently at the top of that trend line again, right? And then let's look at, this forms, the resistance that we are trying to break through. And then let's look at this side of it, right? So I'm just gonna, this might not be perfect, but let's look at something like this. This is the support. So the price goes up, it touches this resistance, it comes back and it hits this support. It touches the resistance, it hits the support. It just touched the resistance. The easiest assumption is that this is more likely to come back down. But we see here, after touching this support right here, we went back and then we couldn't touch the resistance, and then we went back here. So I expect Bitcoin to come down a little bit to this side, and then if we can break through this resistance, I would not be surprised to see Bitcoin touch $80,000 by the end of the month, considering the fact that the election is getting close. And then we also have, an interest rate decision that will be made in November. The Federal Reserve cut interest rate by 50 basis points in September. And so if they happen to cut interest rates again, that is going to actually trigger the inflow of liquidity into the space. The S&P 500 is currently at all-time highs. We are trading within this range, and we've done this for the past 7 months. And so once we break through here, it is going to be a very decisive move. I would be very careful buying here. Each time it touches this resistance right here, it falls back. I would like to see Bitcoin come down to somewhere 65,000. And if it's able to, if it's able, like right here, you see, if it's able to, let me just draw this little, trend line. Right. This one right here. I would like to see it, I would like to see it come down to this. When it comes down here, and then it can bounce back again. And this time, the bulls will have more balls to push this and make a decisive decision to break through. And then we can see 100K. Yeah.